Okay guys, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sinigang na hipon. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have the hipon or the shrimp, salt, sinigang mix, patis, black pepper, kangkong. We have onions, spring onions, tomatoes, and then chilies. And then we have this one, sitaw, and then okra, radish, eggplant. Okay? Going to add this one, the onions. And then the tomatoes. The water is boiled already, so I add the tomatoes, onions, and then spring onions, and then the chilies. And then we have also shrimp cubes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add the shrimp cubes. And then I'm gonna add pepper, salt, and then the sinigang mix. Okay, guys, so we're gonna cover first because we let the tomatoes and the onions will become cooked very well because the water or the liquid it become very tasty. Okay, so I'm going to taste the soup, guys. I think I need to add some more sinigang mix. And then patis, guys. And then I'm going to taste. Okay, so next we're gonna add this one, the radish, the okra and the eggplant, as well as the sitaw. Okay, and now we're gonna add also this one, the spring onions. Okay, and now we're gonna wait until that one it becomes soft or tender. So the vegetables are cooked, so I'm gonna add the shrimp. Okay guys, if the shrimp is already, there's no more black, it means that it's cooked already because you don't need to overcook. Okay, it's very quick. Oh, it's almost black, so let's wait and then we'll add the kangkong. And I'm gonna taste it. For me, it's enough, but I just put a little salt now because some of the people will some, but not just a little. And I don't want super salt, sour also. Some of the people love super sour, huh? Because I taste some of the sinigang. It's super sour and it's super salty. I want you to taste it. Kangkong. Them is not overcooked. Okay. And the kangkong also. And the kangkong will be cooked because of the hotness of the soup. Okay guys, it's done. Okay guys, that's our sinigang na hipon. Okay, so if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts. Okay, to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.